Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Apollinaire is located on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in Quebec. It covers an area of about 97 square kilometers and is conveniently crossed by Autoroute 20, the Trans-Canada Highway, from east to west and by Route 273 from north to south. The parish municipality of Saint-Apollinaire was officially founded on July 1, 1855. The construction of the Trans-Canada Highway in the 1960s brought businesses and growth to the area. In 1974, the village of Francoeur and the parish municipality of Saint-Apollinaire merged to form the current municipality of Saint-Apollinaire. The town is named after Saint Apollinaris, a revered figure in French history. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Saint-Apollinaire, Quebec.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!